Hello students, I am Rashmita Maldar, Assistant Professor in Botany from Dhampi College of Arts and Science, Miramar Branchi. So this module is for first year, Bachelor of Science, subject is Botany, Semester 1, course code is BOG 101, course title is Environmental Biotechnology. The title of the unit is Unit 5, Role of Immobilized Cells, Enzymes in the Treatment of Toxic Compound. Module name is Biotechniques for Air Pollution Abatement and Odor Control. The outline for this module is Introduction, Strategies for Air Pollution and Control, Different Biotechniques for Abatement of Air Pollution and Odor Control, and Advantages. At the end of these modules, students will be able to understand the meaning and strategies for air pollution control. They will be able to explain the different biotechniques for abatement of air pollution and odor control. They will be able to discuss the advantages of various techniques. Coming to the introduction, biotechnology offers eco-friendly methods for air pollution control. It deals with the removal of odorous and toxic contaminants from industrial and municipal air streams. Because they are harmful for both the humans and environment, various biotechnological techniques are developed in order to degrade the hazardous material present in the environment. We have the strategies for air pollution control. First strategy is dilution and dispersal. It involves dilution of pollutant by being physically spreading it, thereby reducing their effective concentration. Second one is concentration and containment. It is an attempt to gather the offending substances and preventing its escape into the environment. Coming to the tools for air pollution abatement and odor control, we have three different tools. The first one is biofilters. So, biofiltration is a new technology used to purify contaminated air evolved from volatile organic and inorganic compounds and for the removal of undesirable foul gas components from the air. Biofilters are packed bed units in which gas is blown through bed of compost or soil and is converted by an active biofuel made by the natural bioorganism or microorganisms. This is the diagrammatic representation of the biofilter. Here we can see the flat bed. So this is the flat bed biofilter and biofilter media which supports the flat bed and biological active biofuel which gives various gases. So the air which is a toxic air, it comes from here, this nozzle inside the media, and the air which is being absorbed into it is absorbed by various microorganisms present into the media, which is facilitated by the air duct and air phylum. So after the hazardous component is being absorbed, the air is being left out and the treated exhaust is being given out. So here we have the exhaust fan in order to facilitate this method. So advantages of biofilter are they have low investment and operation cost, they have simple construction, they are effective in removal of biologically degradable component, they make little wastage of water and material. Second one we have is bioscrubber. So, a large number of soluble and biodegradable molecules are transferred into an aqueous phase and degraded. It is used to remove volatile organic compound and odorous molecules present in the industrial gaseous emissions. So, this is the diagrammatic representation of bioscrubber. So, this is a second tool for air pollution and odor control. So, air comes in with the help of this primary blower. So, here we can see the primary blower. From that, the contaminated air, it comes inside into this chamber. So, this is the vertical chamber. So, Flooding the bed increases the ability of the liquid phase to absorb more pollutant. So the flooding of bed is done with the help of spray heads. So here the spray heads are present. So because as the gas phase impacts the bed media, it forms tiny bubbles that greatly increase the surface area at the interface of the gas and liquid. So increasing the surface area improves the liquid phase ability to absorb the water. So water facilitates the absorption of the various hazardous components from the air. The sump here, the sump act as a reservoir for the liquid phase and permits additional reaction time for the microbes to consume the pollution. So here the sump which shows the presence of a sludge, and the nutrient and pH is control of the various sludge present inside this chamber, and the water which is being treated is it goes out from the secondary blower, and it again goes from this secondary blower to against the spray head, and the cycle is continued. So the discharge effluent, before it is being recycled back to the bioscrubber, they reach to this demister. So after it reach to the demister, the demister, it acts as the vapor liquid separator. So from this, the liquid droplets, they are being separated, and the clean air, it goes outside. Coming to the advantages of bioscrubber, it is not necessary to humidify the emissions prior to treating them. pH control and nutrient feed can be automated. It requires less attention than other bioreactor. Process is ideal for emission that produce various acid upon the treatment. So bioscrubber can treat emission containing particulate matter. Third one we have is biotrickling filter. So the pollutants are present in air must be dissolved into the liquid phase so that easily they are being absorbed into the medium, so that they are being made available to the microbes. So as the air phase passes through the packing, the pollutants are absorbed from the air into the liquid phase to achieve maximum contact with the biomass. So this is the diagrammatic representation of the biotrickling filter. So it is a vertical tank, as we can see that. So it is a vertical tank that contains the support rack, okay, and it is filled with the aggregate ceramic or the plastic component, and it has a vertical pipe that has rotary connection at the top. So the spray arm, here we can say the spray arm, which is attached to the rotary connection, which has various nozzles which gives out the spray of a pure water. So so here we have the recirculation pump. So it takes the sludge discharge which is being given out from this the vertical tank, and this sludge discharge is circulated with the help of this recirculation pump, and it will again recycle the effluents, and the pure water will be again going inside into this vertical cylinder. So the recirculation pump is used to pump the liquid from the reservoir in the bottom of the spray nozzle. Then air passes through the packing, and the pollutants are absorbed from the air into the liquid phase to achieve the maximum contact with the biomass. So coming to the advantages of biotrickling filter, they have lower chemical requirements, they are less harmful. Basically, they give out less harmful products which are easier to handle. There is no need for disposal of toxic waste, and it has reduced treatment cost, and they are at the ease of operation. These are the references for these modules. Thank you very much.